Ever thought about the journey behind your online orders? That's where couriers come in. These unsung heroes connect businesses and people one delivery at a time. It's a job that requires precision, resilience, and a genuine passion for keeping things moving. But it's much more than just dropping off packages. It's about navigating the urban maze, mastering time management, and building relationships with every delivery. Being a courier is about understanding the importance of each package entrusted to you. Get ready to discover a world of opportunity that exists right outside your doorstep. So, what does it take to be a successful courier? It's a combination of practical skills, a positive attitude, and a commitment to excellent service. Of course, a valid driver's license and a clean driving record are non negotiables, but it's more than just knowing how to drive. Route optimization and time management are crucial. Couriers are masters of efficiency, strategizing the fastest routes and anticipating potential delays. They are also excellent communicators, providing updates to dispatchers and customers. Couriers are constantly on the move, loading and unloading packages, navigating stairs, and braving different weather conditions. Beyond these practical skills, successful couriers possess a unique blend of independence and teamwork. They are comfortable working autonomously, managing their own schedules and routes. Imagine this: your alarm goes off, and you know it's not just another day at the office. You're a courier, and the city awaits. Your day starts by checking your delivery schedule, optimizing routes, and loading up your vehicle. The open road becomes your office, the city your playground. Each day brings a new set of challenges. Traffic jams, unexpected road closures, and inclement weather are just a few hurdles you might face. Then there's the pressure of meeting deadlines and exceeding customer expectations. It's a fast paced environment that demands adaptability and quick thinking. But amidst the challenges lie countless rewards. There's the freedom of the open road, the autonomy of managing your own time, and the satisfaction of completing each delivery successfully. You will interact with people from all walks of life, becoming a familiar face in your community. Courier jobs often come with competitive salaries and flexible schedules. The beauty of a career is that it's not a dead end. Think of it as a launchpad for numerous career trajectories within the vast logistics industry. With experience and the right attitude, you can climb the ladder and explore specialized roles. Want to be in the driver's seat literally? Consider becoming a long haul truck driver. If you enjoy the strategic aspect of the job, a dispatcher role might be your calling. Dispatchers coordinate routes and manage fleets. For those with a knack for technology, there's the world of logistics software and app development. And let's not forget the entrepreneurial route. With experience and business acumen, you could even start your own courier company. The world of a courier is more than meets the eye. It's a career path that combines practical skills with a spirit of adventure. It's about delivering more than just packages, it's about delivering possibilities. So, if you're looking for a job that's both challenging and rewarding, a career that offers flexibility and growth, then the courier profession might be your perfect fit. The courier industry is constantly evolving, fueled by the growth of e commerce and the increasing demand for fast and reliable delivery services. It's a field brimming with opportunities for those willing to embrace the challenge. The open road awaits, and with it, a world of possibilities.